There he is. There's the big boy attacking his mom. And if you notice, Butterscotch is once again in heat. She's ready for round two. Freaking kidding me? Oh, there's my sassy dog. Sassy. Right on top of the elephant. Butterscotch. Butterscotch. Uh-oh. 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 Butterscotch. What are you doing? I don't know about you guys, but that is freaking adorable. Big old mommy being oh. She's gonna hiss. She's gonna hiss. She's gonna hiss. Get him. Get him, Butters. Get him. There it is. He is so happy to be home. So, we got rid of him, and we found out that where he was at wasn't working out. So we went to go get him. He's back. And here's my caramel. Here's my caramel. Here's my caramel. There he is. Little caramel. My big boy. Oh, my buddy. You gonna go help your mommy? And right back to sleep. You always do this. What are you doing? You sleeping all the time. You sleeping all the time. Huh? Huh? Hey, wake up. Wake up. No? Come on. Get you up. Yeah, hear that? That's your brother. Your brother's causing a commotion around here. He's like super excited. Huh? You gonna stay up? Hi, Caramel. You see Butterscotch right there. Oh. What do you think? What do you think? Huh? Oh, you can't jump down that way. Uh-oh. 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 Butterscotch, you shouldn't even be doing that kind of stuff. You already went outside and you already had babies and you had freaking 5 of them and we just started getting rid of them. And you know what? You can't have another one. You can't have more. So stop that. Jeez, hi. Hey, big boy. There he is, Mr. Big Boy. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Hi. What's you doing? Huh? Oh, bless you. Bless you. Leave your mommy alone. No. No. Leave her alone. No. 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 Oh my goodness. Butterscotch, run. He's coming. He's coming. What? Butters. I think he's gonna leave you alone. See you guys in the next one. Peace.